Hey guys, today we're cooking with a toddler spaghetti and meatballs. See what it's like cooking with a 3-year-old making meatballs from scratch. Let's go. Today I'm here with Leilani and we're gonna make, what is our favorite food?
Yeah.
Meatballs. This is one of our favorite recipes and I'll link the recipe that I have down below, but I usually kind of just wing it on how I do it. It's 30 minutes of cooking time and about 20 minutes of prep, but since I have this little one here, it'll probably take a little bit longer. I have 3 pounds of beef right here, 3 eggs, 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs, and about 1 cup of chopped onions. I'm gonna fill up this cup of onions, so we're gonna cut the onion here. Honey, what is this?
Onion.
Onion, what does it smell like?
Onion?
It smells like onions, yeah. So if you're like me, I think the more onions, the better. Right, Leilani? Do we like onions?
Yep.
These don't have to be perfect. Cut these as small as I can. What's great about with the onions here, they're already kind of like, they have their lines, so it does a lot of the cutting for me already.
Some more onion.
Yeah, put it in. Okay, Lonnie, I'm gonna cut. Actually, you know what?
Can I hold it?
Yeah. Lonnie, can you put the onions in the cup for me? Put them in the cup. All right, put all the onions in the cup for me, Lonnie. Thank you.
I can smell some.
What does it smell like? Does it smell yummy?
Onion.
Onion, yep. Sometimes onion make you cry. No, don't eat it. Oh my gosh.
Some onion make me cry.
Yeah.
But I'll cry when it cry. Just like this. Wow, wow, wow.
Wow, wow, wow. Okay, sure.
But I can't cry. I can't cry like a baby. Babies can cry. But I can't cry. Now, because I can't cry. 1, 2, 3.
Lonnie, okay, can you put the onions into the big bowl of beef? There you go. Good, get it all out.
Can I mix?
Yeah, you want to mix it?
No. I just want to be a baker just like Baker Reiki.
Just like Baker Acre? You want to be a
Baker Reiki. How I be Baker Reiki? We don't have any Baker Reiki hats.
Then we're gonna put in the 3 eggs. We're gonna crack the eggs. Or as Leilani likes to say, what is that? What do we do now?
Crack eggs.
Yeah, you say hatch the eggs though sometimes.
Can you hold it?
Yeah, you can hold it. Mommy's gonna do it 1 by 1, okay?
And do it 2 by 2. I can do it 1 by 1 too.
1. Can you give me the other one?
2.
2. Can you give me the last egg?
Last egg. Can I hatch it?
We hatched the egg. Okay, now we mix it up, okay?
Mix. Can I try it?
Yes, hold on.
Okay. Waiting at home.
Okay, and then we put 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs in here.
Why? Why you just make a mess?
Lonnie, can you pour it in? Pour it into the bowl.
Pour.
Good job.
I think so is this.
And sometimes I find that with this much breadcrumbs, it could be a little dry. So I end up just substituting. I put in water or ketchup or pasta sauce. Oh, Lonnie, no, don't do that. Here, put this in. Can you pour this in?
Okay.
Thank you. All right. Now we're gonna, and then it's 2 tablespoons of water. I usually just like to eyeball this.
Can I hold?
What are we gonna eat the meatballs with?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti, yeah.
What's spaghetti mean?
Spaghetti is pasta.
Spaghetti is pasta with meatballs?
Yeah, sure.
How about you just, we could use these foods like
Okay. And then we're gonna season this with salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper?
Yeah. Now it's for the really messy part, Lonnie, okay? Pans are washed already. We're gonna start forming meatballs. So usually I try to do this with gloves, but you know, I can't really handle that with a toddler because she won't keep them on.
Can smash.
Okay, Lonnie, look, we're gonna take them and we're gonna take it like this and we're gonna make a ball. See, like that, okay? So this is gonna get really messy. Just expect that you're gonna have to give your kids a bath after. There you go. Good job.
Yeah.
Put it right there. Oh, look at that. Make them a little bigger, okay? Grab more.
Why are my hands dirty?
How does it feel?
Good.
It feels good? Okay. Oh, also I forgot to mention, set the oven to 350. So I'm gonna do that right now. Here, take more, Lana. You gotta make a bigger one, okay?
I make a smaller one.
Here, no. Okay, you wanna make the small ones? Make the small ones, that's fine. They'll be bite-sized meatballs. Sure, why not?
Just like slime.
Just like slime, yeah. What does it smell like?
Beef.
Beef. It does smell like. Oh, that was a good one, Lonnie.
It has a big one.
And then as you're doing this, you'll probably see some parts that are unincorporated in the mix here. So you can just move it around to make sure you get onions and salt and pepper and breadcrumbs over every little bit. It's like about a golf ball size, I would say. Maybe 1.5 inches. The tighter you pack them, they won't fall apart when they're in the oven. These are all Leilani's right here. So you have some small ones and then one big one. Also, if you have any leftover that don't fit in a tray, you get to make it into a hamburger patty and just throw it in the freezer. My meatballs are not even, but that's okay. Leilani just turned 3 years old, so I think this is great for her. I think she's doing really well with this, to be cooking with your toddler. She seems to like it because she's getting hands-on with it. Any leftover onions, just go ahead and sprinkle them on top. It's not the destination, it's the journey, right? So we'll pop these into the oven, which is heated to 350. All right, Leilani, the oven is very hot, so we only let mommy do this, right? All right, you say bye-bye. It's hot, right? All right, now we're gonna make the spaghetti, which is Leilani's favorite. Today I'm using the Target Market Pantry pasta, and this is great because one, it's under $1, and two, they come pre-broken in half. So whatever genius thought of this at Target, like, shout out to you, because it's so much better than trying to break the long spaghetti in half and having spaghetti fly everywhere. So we have a pot of water boiling. You pour it over. The salt. Yep. You want to open? Okay, open the box. What is that?
Pasta.
Pasta. Yep. And then we're gonna. Okay, I'm gonna take some out. Just throw it in. No, you don't have to break them. Just throw it in. Don't put your hand in the water. Just throw it in. Good job. All right, let me do it because it might splash. Okay. And then we're just gonna. For this, I would probably do about like 1/4 of the box since it's only 3 of us eating tonight. All right, let me do it. Let me help you. Oh, you want to give it to mommy? Okay, give it to mommy. Thank you. Stir it as we go. Good.
Let's add some more.
Okay, add some more. Oh, okay. Oh, that's too much salt. All right, that's gonna be some salty pasta. Okay, no more salt, Leilani. Okay. And we're gonna have some olive oil here. You want to help me hold? Okay, be careful a little bit, just a little bit. 10. Okay, boil for 10 minutes. Good job, Wiley. So the spaghetti is done. I usually do about a taste test. I take 1. It's very salty, but it's good. Everyone likes their pasta sauce different amounts, so I usually just take it out and spoon it into the bowl. Connie, do you want spaghetti sauce? Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Spaghetti sauce.
All right. So it's just a little bit, okay?
Ooh,
Just a little bit. And then these are going to be ready for our meatballs. Look at our meatballs. Wow, I think they're ready. You see that? They're golden brown. They have like a crust on the edge. I like them to have a little bit of a like a hard edge and then a little bit of the browning at the bottom. You could also use a meat thermometer, but I have no idea where that is. Leilani, look at your little meatballs here. Crust on the underside right there. So yummy. I'm gonna give her little meatball. How is it, Leilani? It's good? You like your meatballs? Who made this? You? Yeah, we both did. Making spaghetti and meatballs with a toddler, a little difficult, but I think that she likes it because she was able to do it herself and get involved. We have 2 trays of them. We'll just freeze the rest and we'll have them for the next few weeks to eat. High five, you did good? Yummy. See? All right, can you say bye? Bye.